Hey everyone, this is Steve from MetaSlider, which is the most user-friendly way to create slideshows on your WordPress website. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a new feature which allows you to quickly change the color of all the key elements on your slideshow. You can change the color of the arrows, the navigation, the captions, and more. Let's see how this works. I have MetaSlider installed on a site here, and I'm going to go to MetaSlider and Quick Start. And I'm going to install one of the demo slideshows that are available. I'm going to choose the image slideshow option, and it's going to give me some sample images that I can work with here. On the right side, I'm going to choose one of the themes that are available, such as Bitono, the first one here. I'm going to choose that theme, click Select, and underneath it, I'm going to see these new color choices that I described at the beginning of the video. This screenshot shows how the theme will look by default. It has orange arrows, orange navigation elements, and it has white text. You can customize all of these using the color picker. For example, the arrows will now be blue. The navigation elements at the bottom will now be red. The caption background area, well, I can change that to white. And the caption text, I'll change that to black. Any links in there, how about we make those orange? Before we see this on the front of the site, I will make sure that the arrows are enabled. And I'm also going to make sure that we have some caption text. So we'll be able to see the different color of the caption text here. I will save those choices. Now I can see what the slideshow looks like on the front of the site. I'll go to Posts. I'll add a new post. I'll call this Slideshow, and I'm going to use the Gutenberg block to add my MetaSlider slideshow here. You can see a preview of the slideshow here, but to really see what it looks like, we'll click on Publish and view the post on the front of the site. There we have the bluey purple arrows that we chose. We have the red navigation elements, and we have the black text as well. If you don't like exactly how these look, you can go to the MetaSlider link at the top of the site, click Edit for this slideshow, and you can go and change these colors again. What I'm going to do in this case is choose a different theme. I'm going to choose the clarity theme to see how the colors affect this particular design. I'll choose clarity and click on the select button, and I get some color choices down here. For the arrows, I'm going to choose a green style. For the navigation, I'll choose the same green style. For the caption background, I'm going to choose a gray color. For the caption text, I'm going to choose a dark green. And for the caption links, I'm going to choose a blue color. So this thumbnail here gives you an idea of what the default clarity theme looks like. I'm going to save this option with my custom colors, and I'll refresh the slideshow on the front of the site. And now we have the gray box down here, green arrows, green navigation, and we have green text in the box. If you did want to make this slideshow look a little bit more like the original thumbnail, which, as a quick reminder, had vertical boxes like this, the way to make this slideshow look like the thumbnail is to set a different height and width setting. For example, you could set the width to be 300 and the height to be slightly higher at 450 pixels. You would also go down and enable the carousel mode option there. Click Save. And when you go back to the front of the site, you can refresh the screen and now your images will be in vertical columns. So this is a new feature in MetaSlider. I'm talking in mid-September 2024, and we've just started to add these color options to the themes. By the time you're viewing this video, we'll hopefully have added these color options to a lot more features inside the themes. For example, there is a play and pause button that you can see on a lot of themes. We're going to add colors to that as well. We're going to be taking this color choice to almost every front-end aspect of MetaSlider. That's one part of our commitment to make sure that MetaSlider remains the most powerful, but also the most user-friendly way to add a slideshow to your WordPress site. It's completely free to download. If you head over to wordpress.org and grab your copy of MetaSlider today, you'll see this color picker, and you can choose the colors that exactly match the theme and the design of your WordPress website.